demo vid for you guys. This one here is called Dragon's Breath. 15 shots. I believe it's the 500 gram cake off the Black Cat 2016 lineup. You guys can see down there. This is with the assorted heavy cake. This is one of 3, I believe. Yeah, if I remember correctly. Anyways, this one here, again, 500 gram cake. Let's go ahead and look for the description real quick. All right, here we go. 15 shots, multi-layered fan firing. Take a trip through mystical realms with crackling mines, silver palms, glitter, and more. Different effects, including crackling mine, silver chrysanthemum, red and green leaves, crackling mine again. It's got everything pretty much in it, you guys. So let's go out there. Let's light this one up, and you guys let me know what you think about it. Dragon's Breath. 500 gram cake, Black Cat Fire.